Alright, we have another very interesting quadratic graph here, and we have the value of x from negative 3 to positive 3. We have to draw the graph of y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 5. First of all, we need to complete the table, and after completing the table, we'll just draw the graph. Alright, so let's go right now to complete the table. Now, when x is minus 3, y is going to be minus 3. Okay. When x is minus 3, using the equation here, all right, y is minus 3 squared minus 2 into minus 3 minus 5. So wherever you see x, you put minus 3 there, right? Minus 3 squared is 9. Minus times minus is plus. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 5. Now 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. Right? So x is 10. Y is 10 when x is minus 3. When x is minus 2, x squared, that will be minus 2 squared minus 2 into minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 squared is 4. Alright? Minus times minus plus. Plus 4. 2 times 2 minus 5. Alright? And that is 9. 8 minus 5. Because 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus 5 is going to give us 3. So when x is minus 2, y is 3. When x is minus 1, y is going to give us minus 1 squared minus 2 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 squared is 1. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2 minus 5. Alright, that is 3 minus 5, and that is minus 2. Negative 2. Alright, so when x is 0, y is going to be minus 5, definitely, because you're going to be having 0 squared minus 2 into 0 minus 5. Alright, this will be 0, 0, 0, so the negative 5 is what we'll have here. Next is when x is 1, y is going to be 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 5. Alright, 1 squared is 1. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 minus 5. And that is 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Negative 6. Alright? Why is that not? Good. When x is 2, y is going to be 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 5. 2 squared is 4. Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Then minus 5. 4 minus 4 is 0, so the answer will be minus 5. Alright? When x is 3, y is going to be 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 5. Now 3 squared is 9. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6 minus 5. Alright? 9 minus 6 is 4. Isn't it? 3. Sorry. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So this is going to give us minus 2. And with this, our table is completed. Now that our table is completed, we want to draw the graph. Alright? Now to draw the graph, we're going to be having when x is minus 3, y is 10. So this is the point of minus 3, 10. When x is minus 2, y is 3. Alright? Now getting 3 in this graph can be very technical. So let's look at it very critically. If you zoom it in, you're going to be having since it's 5, 5 divided by 10 is going to give us what each line is. And when you do 5 divided by 10, that's 0.5. Now, if each line is 0.5, which means 2.5 is the midpoint, right? This is 2.5 and this is 3. So this point is 3 and x is minus 2, y is 3. So we have this point. Right, if you get that, give it a thumb up. So now when x is minus 1, y is minus 2. When x is minus 1, y is minus 2. So this is minus 1 for x and y is minus 2. So minus 2 is right here. Because every 2 box is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. Minus 5, just like that. So note that we are not taking it like that. So when x is minus 1, y is minus 2. So it's this point. Alright, so let's go to the next. When x is 0, y is negative 5. So 0, negative 5. We know the point is right here. Alright. Then when x is 1, y is negative 6. So when x is 1, y is 6. Know that every 2 line is 1. So y is 6 right here. And then when x is 2, y is still minus 5, which is this point. Right? If I jump, when x is 2, y is minus 5. And when x is 3, y is minus 2. So when x is 3, y is minus 2. And that is here. Minus 1, minus 2 is here. For value of x is 3. And with this, we've able to gotten our point. And it's just to draw the curve, which is going to go this way. And that is our graph. Alright, I like it to look a bit neat. So I'm cleaning these lines. And then let's draw it without the lines. The minus 2 line is gone. And that is it. Alright, I think with this we have our graph, which makes sense. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Use the graph to estimate the solution of the equation. I will always tell us that it's where the line crosses the x-axis, which is supposed to be this point here.